Welcome to Vedajanani, Saundarya Lahari, Shloka number 53. This shloka is Varnana of three rays in Devi's eyes, which is related to three gunas. Vibhaktat Traivarnyam Vyati Karita Leelanjanataya Vibhati Twan Netra Tritayamida Mishana Dayite Vibhakta Traivarnyam Vyatikarita Leelanjanataya, and the second line is a full single word. Vibhati Tvannetra Tritayamida Mishana Dayite Punasrashtum Devan Druhinahari Rudranu Paratan Rajasattvam Bibhrattamam iti gunanam trayamiva. Punasrashtum devan druhinahari rudranu paratan rajasattvam bibhrattama iti gunanam trayamiva. Vibhakta traivarnyam vyatikarita leelanjanataya Vibhati Tvannetra Tritayamidamishana Dayite Punasrashtum Devan Druhinahari Rudranu Paratan Rajasattvam Bibhrattama iti Gunanam Trayamiva. In the shloka, Devi is addressed as Ishana Dayite, who is beloved of Shiva. O Devi, beloved of Isha, your three eyes, Tva Netra Trayam, is shining with three different colors. Vibhakta Traivarnyam. Your eyes have been applied with eye kajal, and three eyes turn to three colors, and they appear like three gunas: Rajas, Tattva and Tamas. Rajasattvam Bibhrattama. This appears you are ready and decided to recreate three gods, Brahma, Vishnu and Rudra, where they dissolved inside you during annihilation. Acharya beautifully describes the first with three lines in her eyes to the three gunas, which are inherent qualities of her, where they are taken care of Brahma, Vishnu and Rudra, who has been absorbed by her. This shloka can be chanted to get abundant blessings of Devi. Vibhakta Traivarnyam Vyatikarita Leelanjanataya Vibhati Tvannetra Tritayamidamishana Dayite Punasrashtum Deva Druhinahari Rudranu Paratan Rajasattvam Bibhrattama iti gunanam trayamiva. Vibhakta traivarnyam vyatikarita leelanjanataya vibhati tvannetra tritayamidamishana dayite Punasrashtum devan druhinahari rudranu paratan Rajasattvam Bibhrattama iti gunanam trayamiva. Let's chant in the second speed. Vibhakta Traivarnyam Vyatikarita Leelanjanataya विभाति त्वन्नेत्रत्रितयमिदमीशानदयिते पुनः स्रष्टुं देवान् द्रुहिणः हरिरुद्रानुपरतान् रजः सत्त्वं बिभ्रत्तम इति गुणानां त्रयमिव. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.